No. No.
Well, clearly you guys hate me because you asked for another vintage recipe. Should I have a theme song? Vintage recipes. That's a jingle to something already. Adriana first. If you know, you know. Shout out to my follower who sent me their grandmother's vintage recipe. Susan Super Supper Salad. I have a hinkling this is not gonna be very super. I'm already sweating. Step 1, hollow out a cavity into the bologna loaf. I hate that you used the word cavity, Susan. I didn't know we'd be excavating today.
I don't like the texture.
I feel like I'm digging into like human flesh. Why, Susan? Why?
Oh, got on me, got on me.
I've been hit. It's a slippery loaf. Be careful. I have an idea. Oh, this is perfect. I am so proud of that.
No. No.
There's a new bologna queen in town. Sports! 16 ounces of peas. Like, that's a lot of peas, Susan. Microwave in bag? Is this safe? Is this safe? One-third heaping cup of onions. Susan Super Supper Salad. 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, but I like 6. Shocking, Susan. 2 tablespoons of gelatin. The whole package is 1 tablespoon. That's too much, Susan. Ew, it smells like horse. I gotta go. Oh my God, the bologna has a heart on the back of it. Mix together and smush peas against the side of the bowl. You know, it doesn't look gross. Never mind, the more you smash, the grosser it looks. Don't forget to wrap your meat. Good morrow! It's been 24 hours. Let's eat some of Super Susan Supper Salad. Whoa! Susan suggests we decorate the plate with lettuce, onion rings, radish roses, and dollops of mayonnaise. Well, if Susan says, then Susan does. So one of my first jobs was at a deli, and this is how they taught me how to core lettuce. So you smash it, and out comes the core. Wow. Oh my God. Like, wow. Wow. Now we're gonna place rings of onions around the radish roses. Wow. Yes. Look at that. It is heavy. Good night, my sweet prince. I swear, Susan just took over my body and she said, Marco, pipe on the mayonnaise. Oh no. I should call him. Wow. Susan. I forgot my apron. I'm embarrassed. Much better. You know, last time everybody made fun of the large bite I took, I just wanted to try every ingredient. A little mayo, a little extra for Susan. Oh, onion, so creamy. No. No. Oh. Susan, why? I'm not okay. I'm not okay. The texture is wrong. Not even a pickle helps. Not even a pickle. Well, this was horrible. I'm gonna go evaluate some of my life choices. And Susan, your Super Supper Salad sucks.